This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing Excel, enable the Developer tab, and open the Visual Basic Editor with Alt plus F11. Once done, insert a new module in your workbook so the macro sits in the correct place. You need a macro because Excel doesn't offer custom shortcut keys for characters natively. This is the only reliable way to assign a keystroke that inserts a check. Make sure your workbook will be saved macro-enabled before writing the code. Now write a small macro that toggles a checkmark at the active cell. You'll use active cell. Value equals CHRW and H2714 to insert the Unicode check or clear it if the cell already contains the same symbol. Add simple formatting like font size or color with active cell. Font, name, and size so the check looks consistent. Explain why. Toggling avoids overwriting useful data, and using Unicode keeps the file portable across systems. To complete the workflow, save your project and assign a keyboard shortcut. Open the macro dialog, Alt plus F8, select your macro, click Options, and set a Control plus Shift plus letter shortcut you'll remember. Save the file as an XLSM macro-enabled workbook and test in several cells. If nothing happens, check Excel's macro security and enable content. Macros are blocked by default. Also make sure the shortcut isn't already taken by Excel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.